Drive Tesla Canada reports that Tesla is developing a comprehensive cleaning solution for its vehicle cameras. This comes after concerns about dirt and grime obstructing the Cybertruck's rear camera, especially in off-road or wet conditions. Tesla has not clarified if this solution will extend to other models or if it will be available as a retrofit for existing vehicles. Tesla's camera-based system, critical for autopilot and full self-driving features, faces challenges in winter conditions. Snow, slush, and road salt can obstruct cameras, reducing system performance or even disabling features. Non-winter issues like mud and rain streaks also affect camera visibility. Potential solutions being considered include automated spray systems, hydrophobic coatings, or pressurized air to clean lenses. Tesla has already introduced a washer for the Cybertruck's front camera but has yet to address the rear camera, which often accumulates the most dirt. Details on when the cleaning system will be available or its cost remain unknown. Canadian drivers in particular may find this update crucial for handling harsh winter conditions. You are listening to Yuan News.